If you have been worried or disturbed why your Pi has not been migrated to Mainnet after you have completed all the tasks that are required in the Mainnet checklist, you don't have to worry anymore because today we have a very good news. And on this note, I will say congratulations to you in advance. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dobis Crypto Series channel. If you're an old subscriber, you're welcome. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, you are also welcome. So today I'll be sharing with you the most recent update on the Pi Mainnet migration and also account verification. The Pi team just released an article a few hours ago as at the time of recording this video, and this article is all about the mainnet migration and account verification. Now, before we discuss about the mainnet migration, let's talk about account verification. The Pi core team, they have discovered a lot of challenges which pioneers are having, especially when it has to do with their account verification, starting with the phone numbers verification. At the initial time when Pi was introduced, there was no other form of verification if not the phone number verification. It was the major verification, of which afterwards they added the email verification and also Facebook verification. Now, content of this article, the first section of it talks about that same verification, and they explain the reason why they had to introduce the two-factor authentication, which we have talked about in this channel before. Now, as a result of the challenges ranging from the limitations in the telecommunication as they have it here, their regulations, career policies, individual service subscriptions and cost, and many other reasons, that was the major reason they had to introduce the two-factor authentication, because they discovered some limitations with the phone number verification. So in order to grant or in order to add more security, to add more degree of security to Pioneer's accounts, they had to introduce the two-factor authentication, where you have to confirm your wallet address with your Pi wallet recovery phrase, and also verifying that same wallet address with your email address. This is just to enhance security. Part of the content of the article says, in light of these challenges and that the network is in a phase with more reliable authenticity measures such as KYC and liveness checks, it is time to shift from primarily or solely relying on phone numbers to using email-based two-factor authentication verification, with the goal of eventually supporting advanced authentication methods like passkeys and biometrics. The email-based two-factor verification not only addresses the above challenges, but also improves security because of the two-factor aspect. So this is the major reason why they shifted from using only the phone number for verification of individuals' accounts to introduction of the two-factor authentication. Furthermore, they went ahead to say, to get there, every user will first need to establish a trusted email on file. However, some users never added an email to their accounts or might have entered incorrect ones, lost access to their past emails, or shared emails with family members' Pi's accounts. So, ladies and gentlemen, the introduction of these 2FA is for the good, is for the benefit of the community, because before now, a lot of persons, the email addresses which they have linked to their accounts before now, they might have lost those email addresses. They might not have access to the address again, or maybe they have been compromised, and even their wallet as well. And that is the reason for this 2FA, which is very, very important. Now, if you have not if your Pi has not been migrated to Mainnet, it is very, very essential. It is important that you perform the two-factor authentication. Verify your wallet address, confirm your email address. If you do not have any email address linked to your account, then you make sure you link it. Still on account verification, they said, given that adding an email to a Pi account is not done at the time of account creation, and this is a major shift in account management and security, Pi had to check through additional analytics and analysis before allowing users to migrate. How users added their trusted emails, how they verified their email addresses, how they completed the 2FA, etc., to ensure the integrity of these processes and the security of users' accounts. In some cases, further actions such as a liveliness check or additional SMS verification are needed. This required a temporary pause in migrations until such system level checks were made. So your Pi may not be migrated, all right, unless you perform these 2FA. It is very, very important. So this is about the account verification. Now let us move over to the mainnet migration. This is the most interesting part of this news. Now it says here, the good news. Now this is where I'm reading. The good news is that migrations have now resumed. Okay, migrations have now resumed. Okay, so guys, the mainnet migration has resumed, and it says it will gradually expand as more email-based two-factor authentications and system-level checks complete. Okay, so in their system, they are trying to carry out some kind of checks, some security system level checks for all accounts that have performed and have done all that is needed to do, verifying their wallet, verifying their phone numbers, and all other security activities. Once you have done all this, you exercise patience, because the Pi team, they are carrying out the security checks with the information that all pioneers have given to them. So in other words, this will be in batches, because here they said it will gradually expand. That means some persons already, they have begun to get their Pi coins, okay, and it will extend to others as the team carries out their security checks. It went further to say that Pi Network is committed to a smooth and secure transition, and your patience is appreciated as account security is strengthened for everyone. Yes, this last paragraph, this is what I have been hammering in the recent videos that I have dropped, because if I drop videos about the Pi Mainnet migration and I go to the comment section, I discover that a lot of persons are, I am sorry to use the word, impatient. Okay, someone will do the security checks and the authorization exercises, and the person will want his Pi to be migrated on that day, or maybe in a 24-hour interval. It does not work like that. The Pi core team themselves have said here that you will have to be patient. Look at it. It says here, and your patience is appreciated. Why? Because account security is being strengthened behind. Okay, so once you have done everything that you need to do, you just exercise patience. Your account will be, your Pi coin will be migrated to the mainnet balance. And of course, if you want to sell, once it has been migrated after the 14-day pending period, you can go ahead and sell for those who want to sell. Once again, I say a big congratulations to all those who have completed their account verification exercises. Just exercise patience. In no distant time, you are going to receive your Pi coin in your Pi Mainnet balance. If you want to make it huge out of a project, you make sure that you participate in that project when it is newly launched. Just like Pi, this is another project known as the Delta coin. This project has not lasted for a long time. It was just launched just a couple of weeks ago. You have the opportunity to hop into this project and earn as more of this token as you can. Currently, the base rate mining is very high, so you have every opportunity now to sign up with the link that I'm going to leave in the description of this video, and also the referral code that you see on the screen right now. This project is massive. It is backed by a very strong community, and the crowdfunding was done by the Internet Computer Protocol, which already is trading in the market. Download the app, sign up, and start mining. So guys, this article that I just read was gotten from nowhere else. It is right inside the Pi mining app. So if you want to read further to understand in detail what the content of the article is all about in your Pi mining app dashboard, you can come over here and hit on read more. As you can see, this is the title here. It says updates on account migration and mainnet migration and account verification. So you can just click on this link here, this read more, then it will redirect you to the page where you are going to read the article and get the information in detail. So guys, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that once I drop updates like this in this channel, you get notified. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to share this video, give a like to this video. Do not forget to comment in the comment section below. Thank you once again. I hope to see you in my next video.